Hello, Dr. Dennis Lee here, Director of MENA. We've been getting a lot of questions about actually the different types of heads used in our Moxapeutic devices. And so we have this smoke eliminating, odor eliminating machine that has two different attachments. So what is the difference between the two? The most obvious is obviously one's bigger than the other. So let's look at this one first. With the big head, what we have is a more dispersion of heat. And so the patient's going to feel hotter in a larger area of the body. However, this sense of heat sensation does not directly correlate to actual temperature of the skin. And so typically when we want to use the big heads, we want it used on an area like the umbilicus or the low back, where we just want to generally heat the area. As opposed to the smaller heads we have, which are more specifically designed for heat-sensitive moxas particularly. And so here you have a smaller head, smaller diameter, but more concentrated heat signature. And so the temperature will get hotter and faster using the smaller head. And typically we want to use this as the main mode of detection and for treatment in heat-sensitive moxapeutic.